Good morning, students. My name is Sarabjit Singh. I'm your English teacher. In the previous lecture, I started the topic direct and indirect speech. So let's continue it. So, as I told you, the rules of direct and indirect. So you have to just keep remember. You will convert now into then, this into that, these into those. Here will be converted into there, thus, so, ago, before, today, that day. You can call the following day also. Tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before, or the previous day. Okay, you can use any one of them. Last night, the night before, or the previous night. Alright. Last week, month, year, etc. So you can convert the week, month, year, etc. before or the previous week. You can use before of it. Okay. So today we will start with present to past formation. If we are having past work in reporting work. Okay. Let's see how. As I told you, he says to me, I have done this work today, so he tells me that he, because first person will be same as this, has, we will use has with he, done. This will convert into that, work, that day. Today will convert into that day. So, ये हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन था. Now see, if we are having second person in reported speech, so how will we convert direct into indirect? Okay. He says to me, says to reporting verb, you have done this work today. So in the case of it, if you are having second person in reported speech, so it will convert into the subject of reporting verb. Reporting verb का जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसको जो सब्जेक्ट होगा, it will convert into this. For example, you, second person, it will convert as a subject of this. तो मी का सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर क्या होता है? I. Alright. So in case यहाँ पर us, them, him, her, you. Fine. Me तो है. Us ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसका सब्जेक्ट we, them, they, him, he, her, she, you, same as you, me, I. So that was our topic, me. It will convert into I. He says to convert into, tells me that, you, it will convert into I. Clear? Okay. You, second person, it will convert into the subject of this. Okay. Let's take one more example with negative formation. Negative के साथ ले लेते हैं. My uncle will say to her, you do not plug the flowers. Okay. So my uncle will say to will convert into that. Her. That. Comma between comma goes, that comes. You, second person, and I told you, it will convert into the subject of this. Okay. Her. So subject will be she. Do not. We use do not with plural subject and we will use does not with singular subject. She does not pluck the flowers. Okay. My teacher says to him, you are a good boy. That means says will convert into tells. In comma unity comma goes, that comes. You, second person, so first person will be he. I need to say that converted subject will be he. Is a good one. Clear? आया समझ में आपको? So we have taken example of first person, second person. Now we will take third person. So, as we have discussed, first person I, second person you, and the third person is she. So, in the case of third person means he, she, it, any name, या any other persons. So there won't be any changes in it. तो उसमें कोई भी changes हम नहीं करेंगे. That means she will be same as she. Okay. Says will convert into tells. My mother tells my maid that she is cleaning the room. That means there won't be any changes in it. इसमें कोई भी changes नहीं होंगे. Okay. My father says to me, comma, unit, comma, they are completing their homework. So, they, as you know, third person, so we will not do any changes in it. It will be say as they. Says to will convert into does. Okay, third person in it. Now, take the example of negative sentences. Rahul says to his friend, Aman does not learn his lesson. So, Rahul says to, tells his friend, Aman name means third person. Is also third person. Alright. Aman does not learn his lesson. So there will not be any changes in third person in reported speech. Fine. So now we will start. If we are having past verb in reporting verb, so how will it change? Let's see. Step 2. Okay, it will convert into no. See how. So my mother said to me, I am taking rest. In this case, said to will convert into told, but we will also do the changes in tenses. Okay. अब उस tenses में कैसे changes करेंगे? Just Look at this. In case of set 2, in reporting verb, alright. So, that means simple present will convert into simple past. Alright. And present continuous will convert into past continuous. Present perfect will convert into past perfect, and present perfect continuous will convert into past perfect continuous. We will do the changes in the condition of this if we are having set to in reporting verb. Okay, तो अभी इसको हमने पढ़ा है, just apply in the example. So आगे फिर हम इसको rule wise पढ़ेंगे. My mother said to. I told you said to will convert into told. Told me that. I first person it will convert into the subject of reporting verb. My mother. My mother का pronoun क्या होगा? She. She. Is a ing. Rule of present continuous. It will convert into past continuous. That means was a ing. My mother told me that she was taking rest. Alright. आया समझ में आपको? So that was a basic intro of said to told. तो आगे के लेक्चर में इसको हम अच्छे से करेंगे. I hope आपको इस समझ में आया होगा. तो आप इसको एक बार ध्यान से रीड कीजिएगा. Fine. Thank you.